If you want to move data from your USB flash drive or to your USB flash drive on Google Pixel 10, then in that case we can use the Files app in the app drawer. This is of course our file manager that we have on Google Pixel 10. Now over here we can go to the bottom of this menu where we have storages. If you connect your USB flash drive, you should be able to find your internal storage as well as the USB storage. And now we can decide if you want to transfer from our internal storage or from our USB flash drive. So let's say I want to transfer something from my phone to the USB flash drive. So I have to open the internal storage, and now I need to locate the file that I'm looking for, that I wish to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna go to DCIM where I have my photos, and then we can, for example, tap on these three dots on the right side in order to choose which file we want to move. And then over here we can choose Move To. And of course we want to choose the USB flash drive in this case because we are transferring from the internal storage. We can also press and hold our finger in order to select the first item, and then we can keep selecting multiple items. So you can transfer multiple files at once. In the top right corner we have our three dots where we can choose Move To. And then let's just choose the USB flash drive. Over here now we need to choose where we want to transfer, where these files should be saved. So let's say I'm gonna move them over here and press move here. And after a couple of seconds it should be moved. Now let's go back. Now if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to your phone, then it looks pretty much the same way. The only difference is that of course you start with the USB flash drive storage. So over here we can do the same thing. We can just press and hold in order to select everything that we want to transfer, choose Move To, and then go to the internal storage and decide where it should be saved. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.